Why red? Why not blue, green, or just normal white light? Let's start simple. White light looks like one color, but it's actually many colors mixed together. When white light passes through a prism, it splits into a rainbow. Each color is still light, just a different wavelength. Red light sits on the long wavelength end of visible light, and right next to it is near infrared. You can't see it, but it's still light. Here's the key. Red light and near infrared are used because they can reach deeper into skin. And why do they go deeper? Because they have a longer wavelength, so they scatter less in tissues. And skin also tends to absorb less of this range near the surface compared to shorter wavelengths like blue. So more of the light keeps traveling deeper. The idea is red light hits your skin, travels into tissue, and reaches skin cells. Inside cells are mitochondria. Think of them like the cell's power station. When red or near infrared light reaches the cell, it can trigger small changes inside, like flipping switches. Scientists often describe changes in things like ATP, the cell's fuel, nitric oxide, a blood flow signal, ROS, a stress signal, cell signaling pathways, the cell's instruction system, and those signals can affect healing and inflammation, meaning repair and swelling. So, in plain English, red light can help cells shift how they behave, especially around energy, blood flow signals, and inflammation signals. Not magic, not instant, but real biology, when the device and dose are right. What's more supported versus needs more research? What has better support? The strongest evidence is mostly for skin-related goals. Things like fine lines, skin texture, redness, and supporting healing depending on the condition and device. Red light is also popular for acne and anti-aging claims, but results vary from person to person and device to device. What still needs more research, where the internet goes too far, is when red light therapy is sold like it fixes everything. Fat loss, hormones, deep healing, instant anti-aging, and almost everything. And the honest truth is, the science is stronger for certain skin uses than it's for big full body transformation claims, especially with home devices that can be very different from each other. People call red light therapy non-invasive. That just means no needles, no cutting, and no surgery. For most people, it's low risk when used correctly, but still don't stare into bright LEDs. Don't overdo time. If you have a medical condition or take meds that make you light sensitive, talk to a clinician first. If you want part 2, I'll make it practical. How to judge a device, what matters, what doesn't, and how to avoid wasting money. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe.